All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, quick send today. This isn't a long one, few fish, but this was on 4th of July, so it's a little special. You know, the birth of America, got to go out in the morning, and then turned into kind of a crazy night for us with being on the lake with some friends and whatnot on the boats. But go check out this quick video, and we'll see you when I get back.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next.
All right, so this is a 4th of July. I'm gonna do a little 4th of July fishing. See if we can't get a couple fish before the wreck boats go a little crazy out here. It's on a little wacky rig right now, weighted wacky rig. Threw top water for a couple minutes, but I think I was a little late to that show. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? That's bad. Huh. Not a bad fish to start. Not a bad one to start. That little bastard. On the wacky rig. Oh, it's BKK. It's sticky. All right, take it. So it's gonna be a wacky rig kind of day today. Good one. It's a juicy dock. Not what I want to do. There's no way there's not a fish under here. Take it to the bank. There's one under here. I just gotta stop sucking at skipping this worm. Sky troopers. That surprises me. Thought that was going to be the cast. Thought that was going to be the cast. Alright, guess I'm a liar. There is no fish under that. Alright, try a little different spot. I wasn't expecting that. I was just fucking around. That's a good one too. Whoop. All right. Take that. We'll take that. Barely hooked too. Female, post-spawn female. A bad one. Woo. I was just looking down at how looks like I definitely put my 360 backwards. So I'm gonna have to fix that. That's a big bummer.
Soul searching, fall apart, tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation, a quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right I never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than that shit? Like deadlines, rent's due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh, got the kids, deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right I never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. If I never change, if I never change, if I never change.
All right, so as you can see, that was just a quick little send, few fish, couple okay fish. I got to spend some time with the family on the lake. My brother ended up coming out with his boat and tied the boats off in the middle of the lake. We just let the kids go at it and we just had a blast. So yeah, please, as always, like, subscribe, share, comment. Got them in the background there. trying to sneak in, but do all the things, help the channel. And next video, we got another little send that we did locally. So appreciate you guys. Let's keep doing this. See you guys next time. See ya.